Eric is up next to give you Beyonce's 1+1.
If I ain't got nothing, I got you. If I ain't got something, I don't give a damn, 'cause I got it with you. I don't know much about algebra, but I know 1 + 1 = 2. And it's me and you. That's all we'll have when the world is through. 'Cause baby, we ain't got nothing without love. Darling, you got enough for the both of us. So come on, baby, make love to me when my days look low. Pull me in close and don't let me go. Make love to me. So when the world's at war, that I love heal us all. Right now, baby, make love to me. Oh, make love to me.
For me, this is one of the best that I think we are going to get out of you.
Your best performance with this song, with your voice, you know what I liked the most was when you were just like, with your stomach, you know,
I am extremely impressed with you.